Okay, we're live. I'm gonna fire the song up because we both have things to do today.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. D&B got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks.
Good morning, you beautiful stoners, and welcome to Trap Stocks. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
It is January 10th, 2022, first episode of the year. And Brian, tell everybody what we're doing here today.
We are bridging gaps, Davey baby. You know, between the comedy, the cannabis, the crypto, and the stock game, which is red.
Fucking awful. Let's
So
give
red.
a huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensaries. Thank you for getting us out. Brian doesn't have any weed right now because it's been a fucking month since we've had the show. But huge shout out to GreenPharms Dispensary. Please go check them out in Mesa and Flagstaff, Arizona. Brian, who else we got?
We have cheat code algorithm. You know them, we love them. They're an algorithm to help you trade the stock market. Works at tradingview.com and sends very clear buy and short signals. Here's a hint right now. It's short. Nobody's buying fucking anything. Anyway, cheat code algorithm. Check out the link below in the description. You get a discount, and then you help support the show.
All right, so welcome back.
Welcome back. Do you still have my bag of weed for a month ago that I never picked up?
No, it's long gone.
You owe me. I did the show that
Long
week, and
gone.
I did not receive payment, so I'm just saying.
You
You owe me. You told me you would keep that safe for me. You said that, and here it is. Nope.
Long gone.
You smoked it.
How was the trip across the pond?
Well, yeah, it was great. We went to Belize. That was the last trip that I was on. I think I was... No, I wasn't even brief... Yeah, I was briefly back between Ecuador and Belize. Belize was sick. Way better than Ecuador. Ecuador was cool, but Belize was fucking dope, dude. I still got this little... You see this? Look at it. Still have this braid in my hair.
You're so funny.
It's been like a month. Not really. It's been like 2 or 3 weeks.
You were there for like 10 days, though.
I was, yeah.
How was that?
Snorkeled like 8 of those days, if I'm being honest. That was mostly what we did. We snorkeled and drank. It was incredible. I swam with sharks, like a lot of sharks, like 100 sharks. I'm not even kidding.
Wow.
Yeah, dove with sea turtles, saw giant stingrays, swam with stingrays. Yeah, a lot of underwater activities. And then when we were above water, we drank aggressively. Because it's so cheap there. Like, okay, Ecuador, everything's dirt cheap. You know what I mean? Like, literally, I paid for 3 people to, like, eat and get around the country in Ecuador for 9 days, and it came to, like, $600. It was nothing. Belize, everything was expensive except for Belizean rum. So cheap, dude. They were, like, giving it away. We would go to restaurants, and they're like, drinks are 2 for $5, Belizean dollars, which is $2.50 in America. So we're getting 2 mixed drinks for $2.50 total. You know what I mean? And then you drink them and you're like, this is 80% rum. This is rum with like sugar in it. It's fucking incredible.
Wow.
We were getting hammered for like $20 a night. It was crazy.
Good for you.
Ah.
You definitely needed it.
Yeah, Belize was great.
Yeah. Needed to get away from this red market.
Yeah, I haven't looked at the stock market in like a month.
Oh my god. Did you look to this morning?
Unfortunately, I did.
Yeah, another dip this morning.
It's really garbage today. Hang on, I got the, I pulled up FinViz before we started. Oh,
Yeah,
it's
how
so
was the
rough.
market?
Oh my god,
Yeah.
it's so rough, dude.
Let me
Look at
see.
FinViz. It's a bloodbath.
Use this fucking... Yep, I don't think it's getting any better. I know that the Fed's going to be talking on Wednesday. That's something that's going on. And then today, for example, I do have it in the notes, is that Biden is trying to mandate the vaccine.
Yeah.
Yep, today's a big day.
Yep, today is a big day.
Wow. Yeah, the only green you see is probably a couple in healthcare.
Yeah.
Wow, not good.
Some consumer defense stuff's a little green. Beverages, non-alcoholic. That's surprising. You would think it would be the booze that's fucking soaring today.
Well, everything is pretty much... So when I woke up this morning, I read that everything in the European markets was down a little bit. China wasn't open because of the Chinese New Year. And then I'm looking at there's even just right at top of FinViz down, NASDAQ, S&P 500. Almost all of them are down almost 2%.
Yeah.
So it's just fucking bad. What I averaged down on my Doge. That's something I did do recently.
Congratulations.
Since the last show, just it's not sky high anymore. So I got 30,000 of them though. But 30,000 for average of 35 cents.
Wow. Good for you.
Yeah, but it's fucking tanking just with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is fucking breaking my heart.
Yeah, I checked Bitcoin yesterday because I haven't done that in a while, and it is down. You know, Devin made a great... Devin's back here. It was like a month ago, maybe a little bit more, Devin was like, I'm selling all my Bitcoin. I was like, why would you sell all your Bitcoin? She's like, because it's too high, it's going to go down. And I was like, all right, whatever. And she sold all her Bitcoin, and then it immediately went down.
Wow, good for you, Dev.
Yeah, Dave says good for you.
Yeah, I got a profit.
Yeah, she made a profit, so yeah, good for her.
Yeah.
Well, I love to hear that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm just hoping fucking Doge just keeps up. It's not looking good. If anything, it looks like it's going to drop down to 9 cents, bro.
Wow.
It dropped down to like 13 something this morning.
That's unfortunate.
Like an hour and a half ago, 2 hours ago. Did not do well. So now it's trading at 14 cents, 14 cents and a half, whatever you want to call it.
14 cents and a half. English lessons from Dave DeCorpo.
Woo! All right, baby. Let's get fucking into it. I do have a couple notes, which we already said one of them after the market looks. I did want to bring up that it's going to be earnings week. Earnings are back.
Oh, already?
It's time for earnings, yep.
Damn.
But this one could be different. You know,
This one could be different.
It could be. This time last year was doing a lot better.
Yeah, this one could be different. You know that just buy puts, the fucking market's tanking. Earnings,
No,
I mean, like, damn.
But I did, when I was doing some reading this morning, I did see how a lot of the big banks were disclosing their earnings on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
JPM, Citi Morgan, and Wells Fargo. I do like Bank of America, but that's another topic I don't really want to talk about now. But maybe, is this good because we just got over Christmas? They're going to show you how much money was being spent in the fall and winter. Is this earnings? It should be up, right? Out of any time in the year, right now, it should be the time to play it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess this is Christmas season earnings.
Right.
But I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't play earnings. I don't have anything that I can play earnings with. I'm just here holding a fucking bag and literally everything.
Well, for the people that you know want to get into something, right now would be a great fucking time to get into something. If you're not in it, if you're not in anything, right now would be a great time to fucking get it.
Yeah, I would wait till Wednesday, honestly, if the Fed's talking. Right now is like down, sure, but like, I don't know. It could expect to go lower.
Yeah, I think so. I think it will. I'm not happy about it. VIX is up right now, which is fucking unfortunate.
So,
but before we get into the top news today, let's go over this D&B 200.
It's red.
It's a lot of red, but we also have these symbols that changed too. You see that? ENFA and then BSN.
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, I don't remember what those two were.
Where are you seeing these? Oh, BSN, ENFA.
Yep.
Huh. Yeah.
So I guess we can take them off now. Just took them off.
They have been taken off.
All right. Yeah, but it's fucking red.
It's so red.
So red. I don't even know why we're having this show right now because it's fucking red.
Honestly, there's been more... Since we started, there's more green, without a doubt. Now, it's like insignificant green. We're talking like 0.27%. But right before we started the show, I'm over here on the sidebar, the actual watch list. There was like maybe 10 things that were green. And now there's like 20. So there's at least...
All under 1%.
Yeah, I mean, it's literally like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are up a penny, and are therefore green. It's not really doing anything. There's so much red. Look at it!
It goes back into like the inflation rates, and then the Fed's talking Wednesday because they're gonna raise 4 times this coming year, 4 times.
They're gonna raise what?
The interest rates 4 times.
Yeah.
I know.
I mean,
You know,
they put him to, they put him to 0. They had to go back up eventually.
well, what I've been also reading this morning is that fucking stock traders hate it when that happens. It's going to happen this 4 times, and when the news is coming out, it's definitely everything's going to be going down. It's bad.
Yep.
So yeah, it's not a good time to be buying shit.
Nope.
All right, D&B 200 depressing as shit.
Yep.
Top news, Brian. What do we got?
Take-Two to purchase Zynga in $12.7 billion cash and stock deal. Zynga, if you've been following the show, one of my first loves.
Yep.
Is it gone?
ZNGA?
Oh. No, I typed in the whole thing by accident. Yeah, Zynga was a stock. Wow, it really took a hit, though. Zynga was a stock that, like, could not, when I got into it, it just, like, couldn't break 10. So you could just, like, play these super easy flips because it would basically just fluctuate between, like, 7 and 9. So you could do a lot of easy call, put flips if you wanted to. Anyway, mobile gaming company. Take-Two is a major gaming publisher. Ugh. Here's some details. The deal for Zynga, ZNGA, which is up 47.67% at time of writing, will include a mix of cash and stock. Take-Two, TTWO, which is down 13%, said in a Monday morning press release. The company intends to pay $3.50 in cash and $6.36 in Take-Two shares for each share of Zynga. Take-Two said in its press release that the merger will make it one of the largest mobile gaming publishers, and it called out mobile games as, quote, the fastest growing segment of the interactive entertainment industry, end quote. Zynga publishes games such as Farmville, the O-fucking-G, and Empires and Puzzles, while Take-Two is known for powerhouse titles including Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead Redemption, which is Grand Theft Auto on a horse. The company anticipates that the deal will close in the first quarter of its 2023 fiscal year, which is a year from now, which ends in June 2022. Interesting. Okay, so their fiscal year ends in June 2022. So the first quarter of its 2023 fiscal year is like probably June or July 2022. So happening this summer, coming this summer, Take-Two is buying Zynga.
Hey, fucking Zynga went up. It's still up 45%.
Yeah.
It's not looking bad. Let me put in the hour. I just had it on the minute.
And then Take-Two trading at $141. It is so down. Oh my god.
Which one?
Take-Two, TTWO. But it's pretty, I mean, it's like at...
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but if you go back in time, it's actually doing, it's pretty good.
Well, no, it just dropped 15%, lost $40.
It's higher than it's almost ever been. That's what I'm saying.
Well, the stockholders did not like this news today.
No, apparently they didn't. Even though I think it's a great move. Zynga is it's really a powerhouse mobile gaming company, and Take-Two makes some great large titles. Grand Theft Auto is like one of the best-selling games of all time, you know? It'd be interesting to see if they make like a Grand Theft Auto mobile. That'd be pretty cool.
I think they will. Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
People are fucking hooked on Grand Theft Auto.
So I'm looking at it right now, bro. It's at an all-time low for the last 52 weeks.
Look at it before that, though.
Well, I'm just looking at the bottom right information.
Okay.
How it has like the days range and the 52-week range. Look at the 52-week range on the bottom.
Where is the 52-week range?
It's right below the price. Because the price and the percentage is down $23, down 15%, and then it goes down to the bottom of 52-week range.
When the fuck has it been 214?
Well, it was 180 yesterday. Or a couple days ago. Last week it was 180.
I'm trying to...
141 right now.
I've never seen... I'm looking at this graph. It's never even touched 214. It's been under...
Is it?
When?
What do you have it on? It hit 214 this time last year.
I'm okay, sorry. Yeah, really quickly. Okay. Yeah, February of last year. Before that, it's just been... I don't know, it looks good. It's like consolidating at a higher point than it did 2 years ago. Just go back before February.
It's just kind of... It's at that fucking support level right now from mid-September.
Yeah.
But who knows? If it keeps falling. And, oh,
Oh, look at that squeeze indicator.
yeah, I don't know where you're gonna go from there. I don't know. That doesn't look good. But yeah, T2 doesn't look good. But I do like Zynga. But I don't know. That's
You
more
only
of
like Zynga
a
for the
meme.
pop. Zynga's
Yeah, the meme. Yeah.
yeah.
It was the pop. I feel like Gap, baby. The Gap's about to get filled.
Feel
All right, let's go to the next one. Tilray. Since we have this in the title, Tilray was big. It is leading our D&B 200 today. Actually, no, it's at number 2. It's only up 14% at the moment. It was over 20 this morning when I was writing this. But Tilray posts narrower loss as revenue rises. So Tilray, TLRY, said it lost $201,000 or 0 cents a share compared to a loss of $99.9 million or 41 cents a share in the year ago period. But what is making it skyrocket today? Revenue increased to $155.15 million from $129.46 million. I think I read that wrong. But shares jumped 12% to 721 in pre-market trades today. Tilray is a cannabis company.
Yeah.
I think cannabis will be a hot play 2022 if Biden fucking starts talking about it.
He's not going to. He's not going to.
I don't know. It's kind of sad.
I was talking about this with Devin the other day. Like we're gonna see the end of marijuana prohibition before we're like 40, more than likely. You know what I mean? Like it's coming. It's coming soon. I don't think it's gonna happen with Biden, and I also don't think that like if he doesn't get reelected, if he's even running for reelection, I'm not sure. I don't think that like legalization would even be something he would do on the way out. Like he's pretty anti-weed generally.
Fucking help create the drug war.
Yeah, and I don't think that he's also got more. Literally, he has more important shit to deal with. You know what I mean? Like getting COVID and all its variants under wraps is far more important than legalizing weed at this point. You know what I mean? Like I'm fucking tired of all this COVID bullshit.
It's eventually going to go away. I think Biden came out the other day and said that we're just going to have to learn how to deal with it.
Yeah, it's not going away. But like you
away.
said, no, we'll just have to learn how to deal with it. It's how it is. Like, get vaccinated like you do with the flu. Maybe eventually make the decision. I haven't gotten a flu vaccine in 10 years, you know. But, like, get the new vaccine so it's in your body. Bill got vaccinated. Bill got COVID. He said this time was not nearly as bad since he got vaccinated. And then just fucking deal with it. Yeah.
Well, I agree.
Anyway,
right.
back to Tilray. Tilray's garbage. I mean, like, it is making a nice pop today, but I would, like, just direct your attention back to this time last year, February 11th, 2021, when Tilray traded at $73.80. It came crashing down $40 the next day, or maybe 2 days later, and it's now trading at $7.37.
So wild, bro.
I know.
Oh.
Just remember, Tilray's garbage, and even though it's popping, I don't know. Is it a $10 stock? Maybe. You could make some money from here. Just be very careful.
I also heard that SNDL Sundial is entering a merger this week.
When aren't they entering a merger, though?
It's trading at 60 cents, which is higher than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah. Sundial is a good opportunity to make money if you buy it at 50 cents and then completely forget about it until you're getting notifications that it's blowing up for no reason. It is... I mean, it's a long-term hold in that you're going to hold it fucking forever waiting to make money.
Yeah, I'm going to stay away right now.
Yeah,
but it could be a hot year.
Could be.
But right now is, like I said earlier, so like right now, if you haven't not invested anything yet, fucking right now is not the worst time to get in.
Could be worse. Never buy high, buy low, and it's low today.
You can always buy in red.
Yeah.
Buy red.
All right, next.
Brian, this is kind of interesting, yeah.
Yeah, we got some NFT news. OpenSea valued at $13.3 billion in NFT rush. I have not heard of OpenSea. Have you?
I have not, because I know nothing about NFTs, and so I added the website at the bottom.
Cool. Yeah, we'll check out that website after. Actually, I'll pull it up right now. Cool. NFT marketplace OpenSea has raised $300 million at a $13.3 billion valuation in a Series C funding round that shows the rapid growth of the market for non-fungible tokens. The company's transaction volume grew more than 600 times in 221. In 2021! That's so funny. 600 times in 2021, the company said. It went from one transaction to 600 transactions. Incredible quick growth.
You're funny.
The round was led by crypto-focused venture firm Paradigm and hedge fund Coat2. Okay. NFTs suck. They're clear. It's clearly just like money laundering.
I know, but like it's. I feel like we can't think with our emotions. Imagine if we just held on to Dogecoin, not thinking of it as like a meme coin, just fucking getting in, just doing it, and getting out at the right time. Do we do that with this? Do we not miss? Is this the next thing? Because everybody knows about it now.
Yeah, I don't see. The thing is, it's like these are like just scams. You know what I mean? Like most of these NFTs where it's like my NFT just sold for $15,000. Most of the time, it's people just sending it to them. Like they're selling it to a different blockchain address that they own. You know what I mean? So they're just making it look like it's sold, but it just sits like, okay, look at this Bored Ape Yacht Club, for instance. It's number 1 on OpenSea. This hugely valuated NFT marketplace. The first one on here, which you would assume is like one of the top dogs, it's got to be up there. It last sold for 69 Ethereum. The current top bid is 0.0069. You know what I mean?
Which one did you click? Because there's so fucking many.
Just this blue one with the devil horns. It's top left on me. On Bored Ape Yacht Club.
Oh, Bored Ape.
Bored Ape Yacht Club was like the number 1 group on here.
10,000 items, 6.1 thousand owners. Floor price 78, volume traded 312.6 thousand.
Yeah, like this fucking stupid blue one that I just pulled up. The minimum bid on it is 666 Ethereum. That's what the minimum quote you can bid on it is, which is $2 million. The bids on these it's like $20. People are like, I'll give you $20 for it, I guess. Nobody's buying these things for $2 million.
Oh my god, that's so funny. You can see the offers.
Yeah. It's just like, come on, get out of here. Get out of here with your fucking dumb shit. I don't...
Then it even keeps the fucking price history and the all-time average price.
Yeah.
And it was going up. They're not going down. But like, is this right before it fucking starts to, boom? Is it go to the moon, as they say? Is this right now? Do we have the option of getting into it right now and then riding it?
No. God, you are so hopelessly optimistic. It's beautiful. I don't even know how you can fall asleep at night with all those dreams clogging up your head.
Fucking
goddamn, dude.
A lot of weed.
Lord. Do we get in now and ride it to the top? Fuck no. There's no top to ride it to. Topped out a month ago, before anybody even knew about it.
Yeah, no, you're right. You're right.
All right. Okay, this next one is great. I told Devin about this already.
All right, what's the next one?
It's the one after the one I just read.
I don't have it up. I was looking at the fucking Bored Apes.
About the fast food.
Oh, here we go. Here is the day. Mark it on your calendars. Make it an anniversary that you'll never forget. KFC to debut Beyond Fried Chicken. Woo! Today, January 10th. Jesus. KFC announced the nationwide debut of Beyond Fried Chicken after a 2-year testing period. The anticipated menu item will be available to purchase at participating KFC locations in the U.S. beginning today. Customers can order the item as KFC's first ever plant-based combo meal or or a la carte in a 6 or 12-piece order. KFC first tested its Beyond Meat plant-based chicken in August 2019 with a limited run test in Atlanta. Blah blah blah. The item sold out in under 5 hours. So wild.
That is wild.
U.S. plant-based food sales grew 2 times as fast as animal-based food sales in 2020, totaling $7 billion, according to the latest Good Food Institute industry report. Funny. In addition to KFC, Beyond Meat has struck up alliances with McDonald's, Taco Bell, Costco, Subway, which I did not fucking know that, TJF, and Dunkin' Donuts, Pizza Hut, and more.
Legit.
Yeah, so congratulations. And I believe Beyond tanked today.
Nice. I'll look at that in a second. Did you go into that article at all?
Yeah,
Did you see the picture, the mock-up picture of the Beyond Fried Chicken? It's a Kentucky Fried Miracle. That's the tagline. That's hilarious.
Is it? But it's like only a cartoon, right? Or is it that real?
No,
real
I mean it's got like chicken nuggets with some wings on them, like angel wings. Yeah. And then Beyond. Yeah, we were at Devin and I were at Walmart the other day, and they had so many. Oh, excuse me. They had so many. Like fried chicken alternatives, like Beyond tenders are out, but there's like 3 or 4 brands now. They had like a whole freezer case, the front-facing ones, just stacked with this like brand of chicken nuggets. It was wild. There's so many different ones.
Sometimes when I'm feeling like a child, like at the little dinosaur nuggets.
Dude, Beyond tanked.
Yeah, Beyond's not doing well. Same thing with Yum. Yum is KFC if you want to check that out.
Oh, I do. Yeah.
And then Beyond is BYND.
KFC. KFC's looking okay. It's got these like weird like hook. It's down. Everything's down, but like KFC's been on an incline for like a while.
Yeah, it dropped $10 since the new year.
Okay, in March.
It has been climbing.
In March 2020, it was $54.33. It's now $133.09.
Wow.
Yeah, it's doing all right.
Yeah, going back to Beyond BYND, man. I remember trading the options for this when it was like at $200.
Yep.
Now it's at $65. Wow.
That is wild.
Pretty huge, and they're like the article said that they have huge partners with everybody.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm definitely not like I don't like evaluate companies or anything. I feel like Beyond should probably be more than $65.
It's a $4 billion company.
Yeah, it's got to be worth more than that.
It says earnings are March 4th. Last earnings did not do so well. Wow. Yeah, I think not so well. So maybe that's probably why. They have it as in the sell rating. 700 employees. Have you been using the squeeze thing at all? Actually, you said you haven't been trading lately.
I haven't even looked at the stock market since basically the last time we did the show.
So funny. Well, good for you. You didn't fucking miss much.
No, I can tell.
There was a lot of news, but there wasn't any real action. But, All right, I think we got one more story before we end the show, baby.
Yep. This is a bummer. This happened last night. Full House fans gather outside the Tanner House to pay tribute to Bob Saget. Rest in peace, Bob Saget. One of the great ones.
Man, bro, I would have loved to have him perform at CC4.
Interesting.
It doesn't say how he died, though.
Yeah, I read... okay, I'll read this bullet point real quick, and then I'll tell you... Fans gathered outside the famous townhome in San Francisco where Full House was filmed, leaving flowers and signs of affection for actor Bob Saget, who died on Sunday. So, yeah, rest in peace, Bob Saget. Very unfortunate. I saw... Matt texted me last night, and then I was looking at it on Reddit. TMZ found out he was dead before anybody else, because TMZ finds out everything. They broke the news on Kobe dying, which was fucking wild. Like, TMZ is... They're spies, essentially. I just don't... They're better than the government. It's crazy. So they broke the news. He was Bob Saget was found dead at a Ritz-Carlton hotel in Florida, and authorities said that there were no signs of foul play or drug use in the hotel. So it's a bit of a mystery currently.
Wow.
But, yep. Died at a Ritz-Carlton hotel. Very unfortunate.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. R.I.P. Bob Saget, one of my favorite actors. Moment of silence.
Yeah, I think that's it for today.
Now, I thought you were going to fucking say something. Oh, I found out in my comedy scene. This is what happened.
No,
really
unfortunately, no. I only know about the TMZ thing, but...
Oh, shit.
Sorry to disappoint you there, big guy.
No, I was like, oh, has it got some fucking juice?
I would love to give you the inside info. If I get the inside info, I'll let you know. But I feel like we'll probably find out when the world finds or when TMZ finds out, honestly.
Well, I appreciate you very much. Thank you guys for watching. I do want to say that we are throwing a food festival April 10th at Fear Farm here in Phoenix. It's going to be fucking awesome.
It's at Fear Farm?
Yeah, it's going to be at Fear Farm. It's
That's
like
hilarious.
in the grass area. It's like
Yeah, makes sense.
So I'm going to create my little event. We got a giant stage. We got some headliners coming out. We got a bunch of cannabis vendors, food vendors, fucking axe throwing, puppy adoptions, stuff like that. It's going to be really, really fun. Tickets should be up today on the website. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. We love you so much. Please click the link below. Join our Discord. Give us a nice like and subscribe. Brian, do you want to leave with anything?
No, thank you guys so much for checking out the show. You'll all find out right now as I tell Dave that I'm going to California tomorrow, so I'll be off pretty much the rest of the week.
That's fucking ridiculous.
I'm sorry, Hillary's moving her shit out to California. I gotta give her a hand, so I'm driving a car out there tomorrow. I think I can do the morning. I'm not quite sure. But we're gonna be going back to 8:30, right?
Yep.
Because you have to start going to work again. How are you gonna do that? Do you have a car?
Do not yet.
Oh, is your baby girl gonna drive you there?
She has been.
She's been driving you to work? It's so cute!
No. All right, I'll see you maybe tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys next week. I love y'all.
Okay, we love you guys.
Peace.
That's so funny. Do you drive? So, do you drive her car to your work, or does she just drive you the whole way?
Sometimes I drop her off at work.
Oh, okay. So you come into work with her nice car. I understand. Yeah. Wow, dude, what a racket you got going on there. It's incredible.
Yeah, my life will be a movie one day.
Oh, it's so funny.
All right. Fucking yeah.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on this track to